just arrived in Beijing city at the Beijing West station. And Beijing is quite a huge place, and now I'm on my way to the hostel I booked. I arrived at Beijing West railway station. My hostel is all the way somewhere here. So I'm on my way. I first went from here up here, and now I'm on the way line number 6 to go to Chaoyangmen. Hello! Today I'm walking in Beijing all the way from my hostel, which is at Chaoyangmen, so quite east of the city, all the way to the summer palace, to the W.u.N, which is at the west northern end of the city. And it just snowed this night. The city looks quite nice, I think. And yeah, let's see what I can explore on the way to go to W.u.N. Here on the right side of me you can see the famous Beijing Hutongs. It's like these small alleys with one-story buildings, which all were built in this gray stone. And yeah, China's trying to preserve them. I think many are built new, but few are still quite old. And I would say let's have a look inside, going through these alleys. So in the south we don't have these gray brick buildings. We only have these red buildings here, these red bricks. I like this. Let's see how far we can get. And 早上好. Okay, that's it. Now it's begun snowing. Walking around this old part of Beijing through the Hutongs. But as I'm walking through here, I think they are quite boring because they are all grey. Oh, and a little bit red. But as you maybe already know, I prefer colorful things like colored houses, like yellow, blue, green, red houses over only gray stone buildings. So yeah, but it's nice, and it's peaceful. The Beihai, the deliverer things, it's chilling. And here I am in the Beihai公园, so in the Beihai Park. Yeah, Beihai is also a city in Guangxi, I think the 4th or 5th biggest city. Yeah, so here's one temple on this island in this small lake. So I'm just crossing this temple once. W.u.N. Oh, this is a nice view. Beijing Wonderland. Wow, this place is so beautiful and peaceful. so I'm not the only one who is here because it's really beautiful. It's like so nice. So happy that I came here. Whoa. I'm just passing this bridge here, and what I see is this Kuaidi guy. Kuaidi means like fast deliveries, pushing out the packages, and people who bought something from Taobao, JD.com or something from the internet, they can come here and pick it up. They have to show him like a code, he scans the code and then they can take it. So in China, sometimes if they give you a call, they can also deliver it to your home, or you have to go to one of these public places or to a tiny house store, to like a post office and pick your goods up from there. In China, many entrance gates have these beautiful doors here. So this is the entrance to one of the small housing districts here, and it's really nice with the red lanterns, with snow, the trees full of snow, and here the control guards who measure your temperature when you want to get in one of these housing complexes. So this is how you get your package. This is the Kuaidi price, and you just show them your order and you get it. So yeah, and if it's raining, sometimes all the packages are floating around here on the ground and I need to search for it, like, because all the people living in here, I think all this small complex, all the things they order and the Kuaidis come at one time here and then you need to pick it up. Hello. I made my way to the northwest of Beijing, and here's also the Beijing Dashue, so the Beijing University, which is the most famous university all over China, so the university with the best reputation. And this is what the southeast gate of Beijing University looks like. Like all the way down there's the east gate, and I hope there's the main entrance, but I think I can't enter anyway. Yeah. Let's see, and behind there is the summer palace, the W.u.N, where I'm now about to go. I am at the old entrance gate of Beijing Dashue, of Beijing University. It's quite cool, but I think they don't let me in. It's cool. 我不可以进去，对不对？
您是里边的学生吗？
不是。
不是，那您进不了。
好的，谢谢。Okay, because I'm not from there, the student, I can't go inside. But it's okay. I think I don't need to see it. Probably looks better than the university I'm at Guangxi University. So Guangxi University ranks at 201. So it's 200 first best 201. I don't know how to say, best university of China, and this year's best university, so I think there will be quite a big difference. And here we are in the W.u.N. in the summer palace with a large lake, and all the way down there is the palace and the temple, small island, and the large dam. I'm walking on the way back to the south gate.